Now, NDTV reported on Wednesday about the speculation that Sourav Ganguly will be the one to succeed Jagmohan Dalmia as the Cricket Association of Bengal president, and it seems that his chances have become even brighter after a meeting with Mamata Banerjee yesterday. According to sources, Mamata has told him she has no objection if he pitches for CAB's presidency.
Sourav Ganguly arriving at the State Secretariat in Kolkata on Wednesday to meet West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Dada met Mamata to invite her for Jagmohan Dalmia's memorial. In the coming few days, though, Ganguly could emerge as a major player as far as the future of the Cricket Association of Bengal is concerned. With the death of Jagmohan Dalmia, the post of the president of CAB fell vacant, and Mamata had earlier promised to help in any way possible if the CAB needed any assistance.
But all the cricket lovers, cricket players are together, and the administrator, they will take a decision. If they need any cooperation from me, as a small worker, I will give full cooperation. Yes, always.
Sources told NDTV that Ganguly, who is a former India captain and the current joint secretary of the CAB, could officially throw his hat in the ring for the post of the president of Cricket Association of Bengal.
Speculations will happen. Speculations will happen. That will go on. Anybody can run CAB, anybody can run board. But for me, he was more important. So that's what it is at the moment.
According to sources, there could be as many as 5 aspirants for the post of president right now. Sourav Ganguly, who is the current joint secretary of the CAB, former BCCI joint secretary Gautam Das Gupta, former BCCI vice president Chitrak Mitra, former mayor of Kolkata and Trinamool minister Subrata Mukherjee, and Arup Bhattacharya, an India under-19 selector. The Cricket Association of Bengal has 121 votes, and NDTV has learnt that Ganguly, who was very close to Dalmia, does not have the numbers outright perhaps to become the president, which is possibly why he needs political backing from the West Bengal Chief Minister. In the recent past, the likes of Dilip Vengsarkar, Brijesh Patel, Javagal Srinath and Anil Kumble have been part of state cricket administration. If Ganguly, one of the best captains of Indian cricket, does become the president of the CAB, it could be very good news for cricket administration in Bengal, a state that couldn't even make the knockout rounds of the Ranji Trophy last season. With Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, in New Delhi with Rika Roy, Akash Das Gupta for NDTV.